Some big news coming in. Total number of confirmed coronavirus cases now in India has increased to 13,387. So far, active cases 11,201. 1,748 people have been discharged. They've been cured. And the death toll has risen to 437. Here are a number of cases coming forward. 1,788 people have been discharged, but 437 have died, while the positive cases now rises to 11,201. Going over to Anisha Mathur joining us live. Anisha, please go on. We're looking at rising numbers now. 13,387 cases, in which active cases remain 11,201. Go on. What more do we know?
Well, Nabila, the number of cases, if you look at it, has jumped over 800 cases since the 9 p.m. last night update, which was 12,581. And now the latest update at 8 a.m. shows that there are 13,387 cases across the country. But we are also seeing that the number of people who've been cured has also increased. And more importantly, the government has said just yesterday that more and more testing is being conducted. And according to the press conference of the Health Ministry yesterday, there were no infections in 325 out of the 736 districts across the country. So while we are observing a lockdown across the country, we are seeing more and more testing and more cases coming up. So this is something that the government is keeping a very close eye on. And across the country, the lockdown is being observed. People are maintaining social distancing. And this is something that all authorities have been emphasizing again and again, that the more and more testing that is going to be conducted, some more cases may come forward. We got more testing kits just yesterday from China and South Korea. We got the rapid antibody testing kits, which give a result within 30 minutes. We also got the RNA testing kits, which give a result in a couple of days. So more and more cases are being turned up now, Nabila.
Right. Anisha, thank you very much for joining us. 13,387 cases have now been reported in just the last 24 hours, a spike of close to 1,000 cases.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.